Mama say time me a video me da wash down. What do you? I wash your white clothes and put it on the line. Rain come down. Blow sit them off on the line. And mama come rescue them.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we...
Come see yeah. You know wash your face, honey? Karen is like, I'm not coming on. I'm going to wash my face. Good morning to you, my people, my people, my people. So, it's actually early morning, around 7 or so. And it's raining. So, I won't be able to go outside today. But I have a new project coming on. So, with my farming, right? I showed you guys that some of my stuff, them are wash out my bed. So, I have to come up with a solution. And this is how, you know, creative find solutions. Like, this is how you create businesses as well. Find something. Good morning.
Good morning to the flag.
This is how you create a solution. This is how you start businesses as well. You create solutions to problems. It's very, very important. Very, very key. So, I have some. We drink out of these bottles. We buy bottled water. And coffee tripod for me, please.
Oh,
Inside, in our room. Please, take time. You hear? So, we drink out of these. So then look here. We drink out of these 6 liter bottles. And we normally throw them away. Yeah, thanks. Give me a minute. Vlog. It's not a flag, it's a vlog. So what is it?
Vlog.
With a V, vlog.
V.
So this is the 5 liter bottle, a 6 liter bottle. We drink out of these, like, I didn't even drink out of, we don't drink by water. So if you watch me when working out, you know. No, this is purified water. If you watch me when working out, I use these to make weights as well. But now I'm going to use these in my garden bed. So I cut off the top. Let me show you.
Cut off the top.
Right here, so I just cut it off. So it's going to be like this. Sorry, you're not doing something.
You cut the little one too?
Oh yeah. These. Yes, Sasha. Come over so they can see you. Tell them. They can see you. Tell them how we do with this one.
They board the bottom.
Hold on. Hold on.
Board the bottom. So when the rain fall, the water runs through the bottom.
And then what we do with it? We put dirt inside.
And then we plant it.
Yes.
So when the rain fall, the water come through it and come down to the waterman one out.
Right. Because with the bed, the water is settling in the bed, so there's something them are rotten on the bed.
So when the rain fall, water going here so all run down.
Because we put some holes in the bottom. So we create a little irrigation system. So I said to myself, okay, if we do this with a little back here and something must spring up, maybe we can use bigger bucket. You're such a smarty, baby boy. Yeah, so we're gonna plant like lettuce in this and like cabbage, and we're gonna use different strategies in terms of how we plant.
Buy some carrots.
Carrots.
Yeah.
How we plant. One of them we're gonna cut these. We're gonna do scallion in this.
Sometimes we cut around so.
We can't talk one time and not go here. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it and stuff like that. Go for NutriBurst. I'm gonna drink my vitamin now and carry energy. And carry energy. I'm gonna drink my vitamins now and start my day. I didn't work out yesterday, so even though it's raining, I'm gonna work out now just to start my day and be active and stuff like that. So yeah, that I do know. If it rain all up, I'm supposed to wash some clothes. I'm sure now we wash clothes in Jamaica, and the line how we hang out clothes, not using a machine. The energy in a basket. Funny dresser. I'm showing you that's how we hang out clothes outside and stuff like that. No heap of water not there if you use the machine. So this is my daily vitamin. This have to make energy. My energy is very low. I'm gonna take none for a This is the NRG.
You take 1 pound.
1 minute I'm gonna take none yesterday though. And this is my multivitamin, my NutriBurst. I'll just tell you some because I'm gonna kill me if you take some. So yeah, me check you back with on the things.
Don't pass it yet.
I'll go on Instagram. Alright people, what is happening now is I'm actually outside in the rain. May I go for my flowers? May I go for me plant them out of the bed? The one them I plant in a bottle. You know the recycling method. Too much rain a fall. I can't afford for rain kill me something them. So me I go take them out of the rain now. Carry them round in front. Go put them under one shelter. Them I get too much rain. I can't afford for them dead. So that me I go deal with now. They don't look like them a beat down or nothing, you know. These are they. Me I wonder if I make them stay. I'll take them off. I'm not going to make them stay. Catch it, mama, catch it. Breadfruit picking. I like young breadfruit and pick up. Let me see. Let me catch it for the vlog, mama. Come, let me catch it for the vlog. Good as in our Skylife Fitness Solution belt. A scales of fish. Good morning to you. How y'all doing today? So guys, I'm about to wash some clothes in the backyard. I did have them wet up my soak already. So I'm gonna brush them out, put them on the line, gauge up. Mama say time me I feed them with a wash them. What do you? I wash your white clothes and put it on the line. Rain come down, blow to sit them off on the line, and mama come rescue them. Dirty, but then come back now. So I'm gonna brush them out and put them on the wire. Tywin is showing off the pins and dancing and having fun as usual. Probably messy. So in Jamaica, we generally get a pan for white clothes. We soak them up from like a day before using cake soap and bleach, and now you have like oxymaster just to ensure that the clothes them come out white after. You know, you give them a thorough brush Are you definitely good to go? You rinse them out, you put them on the line, see line on about the sun out and stunting. And yeah. So for sure, if you now wash and scripts, you're not going with nothing in the backyard. I'm going to tell you. So guys, this is a cake soap. We don't normally use the entire cake soap one style. You have to have style and pattern. What we do, we cut this in two so it lasts you longer. So that's what I'm going to do now. Nobody can cross it. Only move in front of the camera. You put this back on top of something. Just set your soap up it. When I don't soap up your eye with it. Like, what's up, friend?
Like, what's up, guys?
We did it. We rock them straight to the limit. Uptown, uptown. Same so we do it up more. Oh, just in case. Just in case, you never know. Cool let me wash my face with the cake soap. Cool let Why? Oh God. Alright, so guys, generally you soap up your white clothes before and have it soak so that the stains can come out of it very, very easily. I'm gonna rinse them now and put them on the line. Then I'm go wash my clothes and I'm go video that because I'm pretty busy right now and I need to finish before the sun come out very hot. So this is how we wash clothes in Jamaica outside. That is the clothesline. I'm gonna show you how I clean them out. And yeah, that I don't know. You are definitely not Jamaican if you don't pin your clothes like this. Have to have the pin like this. I put some clothes on the line already, so they are gonna sun dry. And they soon dry very, very quick. Alright, so normally when I'm spreading the clothes on the line, I spread all the towels together, all the shirts, and I do them color coordinated. I just like sweet, and also I try to size them up properly. So I'm gonna have some little clothes, so then some big clothes. So try to do all the small clothes, all the big clothes, and stuff like that. This is where I'm gonna end now. Shout out to Punki, my hairdresser, slay baby, slay.